Do you find yourself stressing out about organizing your business finances, or wishing you had a bank that was actually built for how you want to manage your money? I know I did. I spent way too much time wrestling with traditional business bank accounts that just weren't set up for modern business needs. Then, I switched to Relay. Now, you probably know Relay is a popular online business banking platform with no monthly fees and no minimum balances. But I'm going to walk you through the 3 powerful features I discovered that truly changed how I manage my cash flow, and honestly, they're features you probably didn't even know existed. 1. The power of multiple checking accounts, up to 20. The first game changer is the ability to open up to 20 separate checking accounts, all under one business. This is way beyond just a primary account. For me, this was essential for implementing a cash management system like Profit First. Instead of one giant, confusing pile of money, I was able to create separate, dedicated accounts for taxes, setting aside exactly the right percentage every time I got paid. Owner's pay, knowing precisely what was available for my salary. Operating expenses, isolating the funds for day-to-day bills. Profit, because you should pay your business first. Each of these accounts gets its own unique account and routing number, just like a standalone bank account. This level of separation gives me crystal clear visibility. I never have to mentally calculate how much I really have for my bills, because it's already separated. 2. Auto transfer rules, set it and forget it. Separating the money is step 1, but the real secret weapon is Relay's auto transfer rules. This is the automation I was looking for. Instead of logging in every week for what I called Money Monday to manually move funds into my tax, pay, and profit accounts, I set up rules to do it for me. For example, I set a rule that says, when funds arrive in my income account, automatically transfer 20% to the tax account, 15% to owner's pay, and 5% to the profit account. Now, when a client payment hits my account, Relay instantly and automatically allocates the correct percentages. The funds are moved within minutes. This feature eliminated my weekly manual admin task and removed all the psychological stress of accidentally spending money earmarked for taxes. It's truly set it and forget it financial organization. 3. Granular team and expense control. Finally, let's talk about managing expenses, especially if you have a team, a contractor, or even just multiple subscription services. This is where the debit card management features shine. I can issue up to 50 physical or virtual debit cards. That's a lot, but here's the key. I can link each card to a specific one of my 20 checking accounts, and I can set customizable spending limits. Let's say I have a virtual assistant who needs to pay for software subscriptions. I can issue her a virtual card that is only linked to my software and subscriptions checking account, and I can set a monthly spend limit. If there isn't enough money in that specific account, the card will decline the purchase. This gives me total control and security without handing out my main business account details. I know exactly which bucket of money a purchase is coming from, which makes reconciling my books at the end of the month almost painless, especially because Relay also does a great job of cleaning up and categorizing vendor names on transactions. If you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or an agency, these 3 features, the 20 accounts, the auto transfer rules, and the advanced card controls, are the best of Relay that you need to be using to make your financial management cleaner, easier, and less stressful. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.